You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name that, yes, originate before it was English name, or a name used in English, famous book by Lewis Carroll. It was French, but it came from Old German before that. Alice is how we say it in France. It's fairly common in French, it does exist. Alice, Alice. In English, of course, the pronunciation is as Alice. How to pronounce in French, Alice. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.